Honey, I can't find my red dress. Do you know where it is? I'm ready to come out of the closet. Are you overwhelmed in your closet abyss? In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips on how to declutter and organize your closet mess. But stick around to the end of this video because my number 1 tip could change your life. Tip number 5, empty your closet of everything. Clearing your closet of all the clutter will help to clear your mind to be able to organize your space. But don't forget to wipe out the dust. Let's get started. Tip number 4, make sure that you measure every nook and cranny that you can see in your closet. This is going to save you time and energy at the store when you're searching for the bins that are going to fit your space perfectly. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, I'd like to invite you to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you'll be notified when our next video comes out. It's time to get out of the closet. Are you ready? Let's go shopping. Don't forget your tape measure. Bingo! Exactly what I wanted to find. Now that you have all your measurements, make sure you don't forget your tape measure to bring to the store to be able to measure all your clear bins. Although they will typically have the measurement at the bottom, but just in case they don't. When choosing your bins, be creative. Think of the space that you can utilize. Like I said before, some have covers, some don't. Some are showing pictures of just apples. These are not just for your fridge. These are for your closet. These are for your drawers. So you need to use your creativity and think outside of the box. The beauty with this type of a bin is that there's a little compartment here. You just slide this in, and now you can organize. You can have tank tops, you can have your underwear, your socks, but you can organize and separate. One thing to keep in mind, some of the bins are flat, so they're going to fit in your drawers perfectly. The others have a little handle here. That's not going to fit in your drawers. You're not going to get the correct measurement. So make sure you've got the flat ones. Perfect. So now I have found 3 that will fit in my drawers so I can organize my t-shirts. I can have smaller items like socks or underwear all side by side just by mixing and matching the different types of plastic bins. Tip number 2. Now that we're back from the store, we've organized our containers in the spaces that we're going to use in our closet. But don't forget, I do have a bonus tip for you. I haven't forgotten, and I will share that soon. In the meantime, the next thing we have to do in order to fill these is we need to purge. How do we purge? If it's something that doesn't give you joy, get rid of it. Does it have a rip, a tear, a stain? Get rid of it. Does it fit? Are you waiting to lose 10 pounds, 20 pounds? Forget it. Get rid of it. Buy something new when you do actually lose that weight. and getting my closet so that it's easier access. But I am a dress wearer. I love wearing dresses. I had been hanging all of my long dresses. Today, I've decided to roll them. The best thing to do is to make sure that you're making them into a rectangle. And then I do my sleeves so that they're on the inside of it. And then I just roll from there. Nice and tight, roll, 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 all the way to the end. And then you can stack them neatly in your bins. This is going to go inside the closet, but they're rolled. Another idea, if you do want to hang them, watch this. This is a long dress, but look, I have taken the bottom and I have folded it up into the inside of my hanger, and now it lays nice and neat, and it's not going to be wrinkled. So I hope you like these bonus tips. Tell me, are you going to utilize one of these tips? Tell me in the comments below. These are my rolled leggings. So by rolling them, I now can see them because they're in this little cubby that I'm going to slide right out, have easy access, and my workout tank tops all rolled and inside a clear container. Remember I talked about the hangers with the clips? You remember the little clips like this? I have here 7 pairs of shorts, all stacked in less than a half an inch of space. I could never fit this into the drawers. So see the amount of clothes you can stuff in that closet? Are you ready for a couple more bonus tips? I love these stackable folding shelves. This is great because we can put our cowboy hats or anything that you don't want squished right here in the top, and along with that, t-shirts, sweatshirts, that sort of thing. But this has got to be my favorite bonus, and I'm so excited about this. Have you ever seen the C-hook hanger? Here I have 9 bras that are going to go right on there. They're going to go right in my closet and hang on the very end. Can you imagine the amount of space these bras would take in a drawer? This C-hook, it will change my closet, and I hope it's going to change yours. Now, I know you've all been waiting for my tip number 1, and here it is. 1 in, 1 out. Because things start to build up. And today, this is the clutter that I am taking out of my closet. Now, my husband snuck in here, and he took a garbage bag of his own clothes out of that closet. So that's the rule. You buy one, you get rid of one. Look at the difference it makes just with a little bit of organization. You can actually see through all of the clothes and have access to your clear bins and everything that's behind. Living full-time, most time, or part-time, as you know, there's not a lot of extra space for a lot of extra things. There's 20 items I'm decluttering today. So remember, and do never forget, it's not about the destination, it's all about the journey.